Hello again, friends. Again here, Bob Tejada, another tutorial from Netcoms Technologies. In this section, in this issue, we are going to teach you how to enable an encryption on a wireless router. Businesses can secure their wireless networking using Wi-Fi protected access and WPA number 2, which are wireless security protocols that encrypt data sent through your router. TKIP and EAS encrypt and decrypt data packet sent to and from the network using 128-bit keys, making it harder to hackers to insert and decode confidential information. You can enable encryption from your router's web-based configuration utility. In Linksys, if you have a Linksys router, this is the step that you must follow in order to enable encryption. Number 1, launch web browser type. Launch the web browser by typing 192.168.1.1 without a quote, of course, in the address bar and press enter. Step number 2, enter your username and password. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. If you have never changed the credential, use admin as a password and leave the username field blank and click OK. Number 3, select wireless and choose wireless security. Select WPA number 2, WPA mixed mode, or WPA number 2 personal as the security mode. Number 4, create a new passphrase. The passphrase must consist of at least 8 characters, including letters, numbers, and symbols, and is limited to 63 characters total. And number 5, click Save Settings to enable TKIP AES or both TKIP and AES encryption on the router. If you have a Netgear router, choose the following steps. Follow the following steps. Number 1, press Window R as in Roger and type CMD into the dialog box. Click OK to run the command prompt. Number 2, type ipconfig and press enter. Find the default gateway from under wireless local area adapter wireless network connection. Number 3, right click the command window. Select Mark from the context menu, highlight the default gateway address and press enter. Number 4, open web browser and press Ctrl V as in Victor to paste the address in the browser address field. Press enter to navigate to router setup. Number 5, type admin as the username and password as the password. Press enter to log in. If you change the credentials, enter the username and password you selected and press enter. Number 6, select wireless or wireless settings from the menu. Choose WPA PSK plus WPA number 2 PSK from security options. Number 7, create a passphrase following the on-screen instructions and click apply to encrypt the network. If you have a Belkin router, Please follow these instructions. Number 1, launch a browser and navigate to 192.168.2.1. Number 2, click login, type your username and password and press enter. If you never change your credentials, leave the password field blank and click submit. I repeat, leave the password field blank and click submit. Number 3, choose security from under the wireless section. Select WPA number 2 personnel PH key as the security mode. WPA stands for Wireless Protection Access or Wireless Protection Algorithm. PH key is phase shift key, and that is the way of modulation in the modulation in the transmission. Number 4, select WPA number 2 PH key from authentication to set encryption technique to TKIP plus AES. Number 5, create a pre-shaded key consisting of between 8 and 63 alphanumeric characters or 64 hexadecimal characters. Click apply, change, and you are done. A very good tip. The procedure to set up encryption on your router may vary from model to model. You can configure encryption on a D-Link router following similar instructions. Go to address 192.168.0.1 and select the wireless settings link to see the encryption options. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to give us a call in order to provide tech support online. Any consult, any question, please aggregate our number to your WhatsApp, and the number is 809-977-7941. I repeat, 809-977-7941. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in another tutorial. Have a nice day.